Who's there?
It is I, the chief of this clan. Who are you?
My name is Chris.
Chris, is it? Are you an assassin, Chris?
No, I'm a soldier from England.
A soldier from England, is it? And what did they tell you in England? That we are complete savages?
There are some that think that, but I have heard a different tale. The tale of a great Scottish hero who defended Scotland all on his own. The tale of Braveheart. Back then, the English king was evil. He threw people out of castle windows.
I see.
Everybody loved Braveheart, even though there were rumors that he were actually an Australian.
Interesting.
But in the end, he almost beat the English. Do you know this tale?
Aye, laddie. I know this tale. I know this tale because... I am Braveheart!
You what?
And you, Chris, are a Scotsman.
No, I'm not.
You are?
No, really, I'm from Kent.
Ha! Kent! Just look at those great hands. That's a mark of a Highlander if ever I saw one.
Braveheart, we need your help. We need your help and your lethal weapons.
Would that be lethal weapon 1, 2, 3, or 4?
Will you join us in the fight for freedom?
Aye. But first, there's something we must do.